Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Java Bytes with Jo. In our previous video, we learned about the arrays in Java. Today we are going to learn one of the most important concepts in Java, that is strings. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and understand what a string is. So a string in Java is a collection of multiple characters. It is used to store text, and anything inside double quotes is considered as a string. For example, our name, email, password, messages, sentences, and our address, all these are strings. In real life also, if we consider the WhatsApp messages, every message we send is actually stored as a string in backend. And our username, password while logging into any application are also considered as strings. Let's have a look at the syntax as well. We have two different ways of creating the strings, new strings. This is the first one using string literal. So we maintain string keyword, we provide some variable name, and we say in the actual value. And it is very important to have the string enclosed in double quotes. Then only it will be considered as string. So this is one way of creating the new strings using string literal method. And we have the second way using new keyword. Usually for any class, if we need to create the new object, we can do that using this new keyword, right? And string is also a class. It's not a primitive data type like character, integer, boolean, or double. We discussed about different data types in our previous video. So string is not a primitive data type and it's a class. So that is why we can create the new string variables using this method as well, using new keyword. So like in the first method, we maintained string and we have given some variable name and we have used this new keyword and this is our actual value. So using these two methods, we can create the string variables. Both work the same, but string literal is more recommended because it saves memory. In real life projects also, we work mostly with string literal. And we have the examples here for using string literal. This is the example. We have given the keyword string, this is the variable name, and this is the actual value. And using new keyword, this is the example. This is our actual value, and this is the variable name. Now let's do a quick demo and see how they practically work. Let's try to understand how to print a statement, how to find the length of a string, and how to join two strings. So I created this simple program to explain about strings. So let's understand one by one. I created the string variable using the string literal method. If you observe here, we have not used any new keyword. So we created new string variable using the first method, string literal, and this is our value. It is enclosed in the double quotes. And what we are trying to do, we are just printing that string variable name, and it is containing the value Java bytes with the Joe. So the same value got printed. That's all simple. Now let's see the second example where we are trying to find the length of a string. So I created another string variable text and this is the value. So like we discussed, a string is nothing but the collection of multiple characters, right? If we observe here, the total number of characters in the string variable text is 4. So the total number of characters is nothing but the length of a string. And as string is a class, we are having so many predefined methods. So we can apply these predefined methods on different strings and carry out different operations. So string variable dot length is one of the predefined methods using which we can identify the length of a string. And as we know, the length of the string is 4. That's what we are trying to print here. So let's see that. First example, we just printed the string name variable, and in the second example, we are identifying the length of a string, and it is 4. Now, let's have a look at the third one as well. So we can combine the two different strings as well. That's what we are trying to do in the third example. So I have created two different variables, first name, last name, and these are containing these values. And we are just clubbing those two strings, joining the two strings. So that's about strings. So far, we discussed and understood what a string is, real life example, syntax, and we have seen a small coding demo as well. And we'll try to cover all the predefined methods of string class in the next video. So I hope this session helped you gain some knowledge about strings in Java. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll cover all the predefined methods of string class in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.